Hey everyone, welcome to Escape Velocity Trading. Coach Jeremy here. So I want to start off this channel with a quick introduction video to who I am, what my trading background is, and a quick summary of what to expect in terms of the content I'll be creating and posting for you on this channel. So first things first, my name's Jeremy Johnson, and I'm the founder and head coach at Escape Velocity Trading. I'm 34 years old, and I've worked from home as an entrepreneur my entire adult life. I'm engaged to the love of my life, my lovely fiancée Krista, who you can see here in the upper right corner. So my trading journey really started back in 2010. I was a senior in college, and I had been really intrigued by the stock market pretty much my whole life, but I really knew nothing about it, other than the fact that we had just had a major bear market, and it was probably a really good time to start learning about it while prices were depressed. So this coincidentally is very similar to where we find ourselves in today's current market. You can see 2008 crash with 2010 when I started trading marked on the upper portion of your screen. And then today's chart as of today, 122.23 on the bottom half of the screen there. So when I started trading, I simply bought stocks that I liked and thought would do well if I held them long enough. That was my whole strategy. However, as I learned more, I realized I was really playing with fire. I knew how to take profits when I had them, but I had no idea how to manage the risks that I was taking or how to manage positions when things went against me. And I didn't have a trading plan or a strategy to help guide me. After years of self-studying and paying a really hefty price at the School of Hard Knocks, wasting a lot of time and having some big wins and some big losses that totaled up to basically nothing, I decided that I needed to invest in education. So I invested over $17,000 in an in-depth year-long trading course to learn how to trade and invest professionally. At this point in my life, this was the single biggest purchase I had ever made, and it was really honestly scary to take that leap of faith. But I am so glad I did, and it was so worth it because investing in myself and in my education took me from that novice trader just swinging at things that I thought might go well to making a living as a full-time trader over the last 5 years. So now it is my great pleasure to be officially launching Escape Velocity Trading, an online education platform focused on teaching the skills, the tools, and the mindset needed to become a consistently profitable trader. Though I invest in stocks on the long term as well, my focus is usually on short-term technical analysis, identifying high probability trades, patterns, and setups with momentum, and typically holding those positions for a few days up to a few weeks or maybe a month as that momentum plays itself out. So as such, there will be three main categories that I will really be focusing on to create content for you on this channel. The first one is going to be hot tips. These are going to be short educational videos teaching specific trading skills, how to find high probability setups, order entry techniques, risk management, reading and using secondary indicators, chart patterns, and various lessons on overall market analysis, just to name a few. The next is going to be chart highlights. These videos will highlight specific stocks whose charts are either triggering or about to trigger potential trades, along with the potential trade ideas that I'm looking at for how to take advantage of the setup. Now, as a side note here, since we live in a world of disclaimers, please note that if you take any of these trades and you trade on my recommendations, you assume the full responsibility for any gain or loss you might have. I am not responsible for your results. I don't have the background that you have. I don't know where you are in your trading career. These are not personalized investment suggestions. These are examples that I am using for educational purposes only to teach you the principles that you need to develop to be a skillful and successful trader. So now that's out of the way, the third type of content that I'm going to be putting on this channel is going to be weekly market bias updates. So these videos will usually be a little bit longer and they'll usually provide education along with an update of my current market bias. I'll also try to highlight any important economic calendar events that are coming up in the week ahead that traders should be aware of, and include a couple of charts where I see fit to keep an eye on as well entering the new week when I see something that I really like. So with that, welcome to the channel. If you like what you see, and you want to be notified of posts when I put new content up, please be sure to smash the like and subscribe button below. And you can also join us at Escape Velocity Trading on our Facebook group. And that is going to be at facebook.com/groups/Escape Velocity Trading. I hope you guys enjoy the content, and comment away and let me know what else you'd like to see, and I'll try to incorporate it.